My name is Maurizio Aceto. I work in the Università del Piemonte Orientale in Alessandria, Italy. So what I'm doing now is just sending light with a light source on the sample and collecting the light reflected by the sample. So it's a non-invasive measurement. In this way I can have some information on the colorants on the miniature in a very simple and quick way.
My name's Cheryl Porter and I work with the analysis of colour and the history of colours that are used in medieval manuscript painting. I'm looking at both of these manuscripts. They're both going to the purple case. This one made 10th century in Germany and this one made in the 17th century in Armenia. And today we've been looking at especially these manuscripts for the purple that's been used in them. So this 10th century German manuscript on parchment, very expensive, very elegant, very high quality, it would be assumed, or it was always assumed, that the purple used would be the purple made from real purple, the Tyrian purple, the purple made from the shells of the mollusk, and that this would be suitable for such an elegant manuscript with gold and silver throughout. In fact, what we find from analysis, recent analysis, is that it's been made painting with the lichen purple. The 17th century Armenian manuscript has made lavish use of what we might call purple, but in fact is sort of reddish, pinkish colour, and it's pretty much always for Armenian manuscripts made from the female insects of the Armenian cochineal, which was also much used for prestigious textiles in the medieval period. The use of the colour purple is particularly meaningful for early Western manuscripts because purple didn't so much describe a colour. You can see great variations in colour in a way, some more blue, some more red. What it described was power, so born to the purple, and it was usually combined with gold and silver and precious metals, but together they give the message of power, and purple is power.